Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Miyun. It's time again for me to introduce some equipment to you. So today's video content is about introducing the ventilation air conditioning system, also known as the vertical hybrid purification circulation air conditioning unit. Look, behind us is the entire air conditioning unit. This unit was designed and installed by a comprehensive engineering design enterprise in China for YOCON. Up to now, there are only about 92 graded qualified enterprises nationwide, so the whole design also adopts a very mature combination to arrange the unit. Next, I will take you to have a detailed look at how each part of the entire unit functions. First, you can see this black pipe, which is the return air duct. And over there is another one, the fresh air intake duct. These two ducts are where air enters. The next part is the air mixing section, where the newly introduced air is mixed with the recirculated air before entering the primary filtration section. In the primary filtration section, G4 panel filters are used. As the mixed air passes through this filter panel, particles and dust particles larger than 5 microns are intercepted and adsorbed, allowing the air to be preliminarily filtered. Then, the preliminarily filtered air will continue to flow this way into the coil section, where there are some curved pipes to heat or cool the air. This depends on the environment. Cooling in summer and heating in winter. To regulate the temperature, the fully cooled or heated air will then pass through the heater into the heating section, where it undergoes a secondary heating to bring the temperature to between 22 and 25 degrees Celsius. The temperature-appropriate air will then pass through the humidification section. The unit comes with a humidifier that generates steam, allowing the humidity of the air to be regulated with pure steam. Subsequently, the air with both temperature and humidity meeting the standards will pass through the flow equalization section, forming a uniform airflow that is pushed into the medium efficiency filtration section. Next, the F8 bag-type medium efficiency air filter is used, effectively blocking particles and dust particles larger than 1 micron in the air. After passing through this medium efficiency filter, the air becomes a relatively clean mixed gas. This air will reach the final air supply section, where the fan in the air supply section blows the gas into the duct and delivers it to various levels of laboratories and production factories. Next, we'll focus on the composition of the air supply section. Because the fan in the air supply section not only has the characteristics of low noise and high air volume, but also each fan casing is equipped with a medium efficiency F6 filter, which filters the air again as it passes through. After passing through the primary, intermediate, and air supply sections for filtration, the air achieves a very high level of cleanliness. At this point, the air delivered to the air supply duct fully meets the requirements of a B and a grade GMP production environment in terms of air temperature, humidity, air cleanliness level, and air volume, making it suitable for circulating as recirculated air in different production workshops and laboratories. In summary, each air conditioning unit is equipped with an air filtration system that effectively removes dust particles from the air. Secondly, this air conditioning unit also has temperature and humidity control functions, keeping the air temperature above 18 degrees Celsius in winter and stably controlling it between 22 to 25 degrees Celsius in summer, while ensuring that under different temperature conditions, the air humidity is always maintained at 40–60%, creating a relatively stable production condition. At the same time, the unit also has the function of organizing airflow, achieving uniform air supply and directional air blowing. Finally, the air conditioning unit can also adjust the operating frequency of compressors, fans, and other equipment to recover energy from the waste heat exhausted by the air conditioning system, realizing energy-saving functions. That's how the entire air conditioning unit operates. As you can see, there's not just one unit behind me. There are actually many more behind and to the left. This is because when YOCON's Miyun base was designed, each workshop had an independent air conditioning unit to operate. Therefore, each unit has been adjusted differently according to production needs, with some units weighing up to 2.5 tons, and some adjusted to 1 ton, matching the production workshops we have. On the basis of meeting production needs, it can achieve energy control, which is energy saving. Of course, each individual air conditioning unit in each workshop can also ensure that during the production process, we avoid cross-contamination caused by mixed air, thereby minimizing production risks. That's about it for the introduction of the entire unit. Speaking of which, we really want to emphasize that only with good conditions can we produce good products. And only with good products can we have a bright future. Okay, that's all for today's introduction. Thank you all.